Redland City Council covers an area of approximately 540 square kilometres situated between Brisbane and the Gold Coast in the southeast corner of Queensland. Council has over 1,000 staff who are charged with managing the natural environment, the waterways, the roads, parks and other council facilities like libraries, an art gallery and performing arts centre. Graffiti management is an issue for all local authorities, so Redland decided to take a proactive approach to it and involve the community in reporting incidents.
We wanted to create an incident management system for council, and one of those incidents was graffiti. Previously it wasn't really recorded. We didn't have a good record of where the graffiti was and where it was cleaned up and how it was being recorded. We needed a way of both tracking graffiti from both an internal perspective but also assigning work orders, but so the customers could actually have some feedback on what was happening with the graffiti incidents.
Redland City Council already had a significant Microsoft investment in Microsoft SharePoint Server and Microsoft Office, as most councils have today.
Now with the Citizen Services platform, it's allowed us to build rapid and easily deployable solutions for council and the community.
Microsoft Citizen Service Platform is really our roadmap for local government. It can enable greater level of community engagement and interaction, increased efficiencies around costs, and increased productivity gains, which are all key requirements for local councils in today's economic environment.
The graffiti management solution allows us to submit incidents of graffiti to council via smartphone, email and via the website.
From the community members' perspective, they've then submitted something that they've seen, and in this case it's graffiti, into the Redland City Council, and at that point a whole bunch of things start to happen.
And we can see those photos that have been submitted, and from those photos we can assess the type of clean-up that needs to be done. We can then assign a crew out to clean up the graffiti. They can then also take a photo and we could submit the cleaned up graffiti back to the resident.
We have the ability to use built-in business intelligence features for dashboarding,
which allows us to see how the community thinks we're performing via the survey feedback forms.
Council can really see the trends that are happening. They can see when these incidents are being reported, and they can also see when to maybe allocate resources so number one doesn't happen, or number two, they can clean it up quickly.
I see this as much more than a graffiti management system. I see it as a fully blown incident management system where we can encourage the community to report to us situations like dumped vehicles, overgrown allotments and any other matters of concern to them.
The benefit to us using the Microsoft Citizen Services platform is it isn't just for us, it's for all local governments and government departments both here and around the world. So ideally for us, we will share our solutions with them and they will share with us.